My name is Robert Gorey. I was a captain in the Air Force. I served for 11 years, enlisted in 1956. My family is a military family, and that's what I wanted to do when I left high school. I wanted to be in the military. I like to travel with my wife, and I go to reunions, and I try to keep fit. Well, they helped me out of a really bad spot. I had a bad contractor, and Spalding picked up the pieces and put them all in the right place, and I was very satisfied with the work. It was excellent.
My name is Brian Lobb. I served in the United States Marine Corps from 1990 to 1996 as a 6324. I worked avionics on Hueys and Cobras. I served overseas 4 separate times, and one of which was Somalia. My father was a Marine. I wanted to travel and get paid for it and learn a career path without having to owe a lot of debt. Me and my wife are both realtors. You can check out buyfromamanda.com. She's pretty good. Spalding Decon's done a lot. You will need their services at some point in your life, and you need to have some people like them to trust. We have used your services with some of our clients, and you've always hit the mark.
Hey guys, this is Brianna.
And I'm Andrew.
And we're the owners of the Spalding Decon here in Daytona Beach. This week we would like to thank and honor our veterans for their service.
And just remember, Armed Forces Day are for the ones that are serving, Veterans Day are for the ones that served, and Memorial Day are for the ones that wasn't able to make it home. And at Spalding Decon, we honor and cherish our veterans.